Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to run this FoodFam project. This is a Spring Boot. It's all about searching with pagination. So let's proceed. After you download, open the project in NetBeans. Then, um, as you can see here in the services, um, okay, refresh. So we don't have FoodFam here. FoodFam database. So in NetBeans, if you want to change the database, then change here FoodFam. If you run this project, it will create database FoodFam because there's a statement here: create database if not exist. So right click this project to create the database. So here, let's refresh this one. What? No, the Spring Boot not yet totally running. So let's wait. If it is success build, then okay, it is running. Then let's refresh to see the database food farm. There's a food farm here. Right click this database, then it will create connection here. So it will create a table by GPA. So next is the location of the database is here in inside the folder food farm. So this is the database. So if we click this one, you will see the uh, okay the syntax here. Okay, this is use food farm. Then after that, let's import the database file. So click this server menu, then select this menu item data import. Then select this import self-contained file. Then browse the database file, this one. Okay. Then click this button start import to import the database. So if it is the message is finished, so your import is successfully imported. If there's error of your importing or syntax. So here, do not warning, do not use any MySQL tool. Just use MySQL Workbench because it will error. Because in the database it has one port, three port, one hop. So there's a binary. So here, let's close this one. Then let's try to run again the project. Run. Then we will see the output. So open your um, database here. No, localhost 8080. It will not yet finish here. Let's see. Okay. Completed. So okay, so this is the output of the food pump project. So if we search here, as you can see in the below, there's a pagination. You can click this one. Page 2, then page 3. You can um, search. Just search the recipe. For example, if we search rice, then enter, then all the title of the recipe rice will um, show. If we click this link, then you can see the information. Then close. So this is the project it's all about. So if we um, enter, then it will go back to the um, index. So this is the URL. So this is there's a picture here which is inside of the images. Because it is easy to put the picture here when I try um, to deploy in a railway. So this is very easy how to put a picture here because in if you save in the database, it will consume a lot of processes and memory. So very expensive. So this is the example. So thank you guys for watching. In next video, I will share it to you the uh, REST API of FoodFam. So thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.